Hey Cyrus, what's up?
Where the duck have you been?
Just trying to catch the beetles.
How was it?
They were delicious. By the way, you look dashing, man.
I know. I just got a new feather cut.
It suits you well.
Thanks, man. Damn it. Here comes another one of those hairless monkeys. Hang on. He has a bag. Do you smell that? Oh, he's leaving. Dinner served, boys.
Oh, that's so good.
Are you not having anything to eat?
No, I'm not eating that.
No, me neither, because of Ramadan.
Oh, I am not fasting. I'm just a humanitarian.
Oh shit, he's coming towards us. This is not ending well.
I know this duck who has a party, so you can just follow me.
Hey guys, could you let me back in again? It's my party and oh no, don't touch that, don't. Oh, look, food. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. Guys, no, don't do that.
What the fuck you looking at? And I was like, nah, and she was like, nah.
Yeah, baby! You looking mighty sky high beautiful tonight! Damn, I feel low. Never doing crack again.
So, do you ever think about what humans think of us?
No, because they're beneath us.
I think they are equally what?
Dude, they're literally beneath us, you freaking weirdo.
Fuck it. You are right. Let's go and shit on them.
Yeah, man.